I think this is the only occasion where both the chief ministers, they really spared their time.
Kajingkren Pynbeit Port apring ka Meghalaya bat Assam haga kala ka beningkong kalajan poi artat syakabakun na marsa satang shisin bagi menteri rangba na Meghalaya bat Assam kini kendu Shwa ban kendu pat ia menteri kampo yang kari wa Amit Shah Delhi. Haba pentip ia kaniu sembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ba Presiden Tensong ulong bagi kemi lenti ba uso uban mi nakate kajing kendu Delhi unlong kum kajing ais ngobha dap san post nem ia ka Jylla kaban rakhe dap san post nem menta.
Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, again, they had a very close, detailed discussion, and ultimately, the decision was taken that both the state government, once again, they will prepare and submit a detailed, comprehensive report, both the state government to the Honorable Chief Ministers of both the state, waiting for the detailed report to be submitted by both the state government to both the Honorable Chief Minister. Thereafter, immediately, sitting will take place between both of them, and thereafter, again, they will fly over to Delhi for briefing, for discussing with the Honorable Home Minister, and thereafter, they will come back and declare or brief or press conference will be organized by both the Honorable. I think this is the only occasion where both the chief ministers, they really spared their time, keep meeting, keep discussing, and even conducted joint inspection in those areas.